We're gonna vacuum him and see if we can fix that. All right, let's do this side. I'm not even gonna bother by hurrying first because I don't want to get myself so disgusting. I'm just gonna let the vacuum do its thing. This thing works magic. Yeah. Good boy. All right. There we go. Whoa. I'm so sorry, I can't hear you. Oh. All right, let's get this booty. All right. All right, bud. And I know some of you guys were wondering what kind of groomer this is, so this is it. It's owned by Stephanie. Say hi, Stephanie.
No.
Okay, well, we don't look great, but we do look way, way better. And I'm just gonna go ahead with my 2 stiff brushes and just brush off this excess and do his legs. Good enough. Let's get this brushed out too, huh, bud? There you go. Alright, buddy, and last up, let's do your hooves. Just gonna get these as dry as possible. Alright, this is nice and dry. Next one. Wait. Okay, and because it's so wet, I'm gonna go in with some Thrush Buster just to prevent any future thrush. There we go. Gotta wait for this to dry. Okay, this one. Great, and let's do your backs. This one. Good boy, you are all nice and done. Good boy.